anyone out of you must have thought someday, at some point of time, that I want to learn more. I don't want to ask his name, but in this group, one at least person must have thought sometime in point of time that I want to learn something more, and maybe that is the day. So NLP is actually giving you the choices. Choices to think differently, choices to change the situation, choices to change your state of mind, choices to take different decisions, and so many ways. So the other thought is that once commitment has been done at my part, so this is my duty to now understand you. Whether your system, whether yourself or anyone in the loop. So this type of situation you all get in your lives. जो मैं शुरू में बात कर रहा था कि मेरे सेमिनार या वर्कशॉप के साथ हमेशा से ये होता है कि कोई ब्लंडर जरूर होता है. For example, I was in a gathering of almost 500 to 600 people, and before going there, I asked them that, do you have a sound system? Do you have an electricity system? Do you have a generator? They said, we have got 40 lakh rupees sound system. We have got every damn good thing available. And I was so relaxed and happy. I said, okay, fine. When I reached at the stage, and Farouk started the presentation, and boom. The mic was not working, the light was not there, the generator was off, the presentation was off, and I was just blank on the stage.
इसका ताल्लुक भी तो belief system से नहीं है.
Exactly. क्या वो बन गया वो? इस पे बात करें. So I started off with the same energy, with top of my voice, without mic, because people were too much. And half an hour I spoke with top of my voice. And I said, today we are not going to stop for a second. And then the things were restored and all that, and without presentation. I don't need these presentations because I have gained over a period of time the unconscious competence in my field that I don't need these presentations. The presentations are just to keep you connected and all that. And then, sir is the witness, when our another seminar, almost 400 to 500 people were there, and sir was there. I got the best team. There is this guy, the boss of this guy. I had 4 or 5 meetings with the different companies that I want to cover my seminar in the best possible way. We had 9 cameras installed, we had so many things and generators and everything. And exactly when I came on stage, I started, and this mic was not good. Because there were some jammers going on. Jammer activity was there. So every exercise we had gone through was multiplied with 0, and we had to do that. Again we did the same thing. Had to speak with the top of my voice, and somehow it became my belief that something always happens before. But point is not to tell you this thing, point is that you will have different situations. You will have different state of minds. You will have different challenges in a matter of seconds. You have a great meeting to attend. You have a great work to do just now, and all of a sudden, one message ruins your complete state. This happens. You can relate. One telephone call can change your entire state at the moment. It happens. You can relate. Anything can happen. And at that particular moment, now your face is red. Your mood is off. Your state is not in control. But when you're leaving and when you're going, that demands that you should be calm. That is the use of NLP. It is going to give you so much of flexibility, so much of choices to change your states within seconds. This is the beauty of NLP. You must have heard that Barack Obama uses the NLP during his speeches. Today I give you an assignment, just go and Google using NLP by Proctor, using NLP by Bill Clinton. You will get so much of stuff about it. NLP is something, if you use it, you can mesmerize the audience. You can mesmerize the people. You can get whatever job you want to get if you use it in a very right way. You can change the environment wherever you are sitting, your workplace, even if during the conferences. So that gives you so much of flexibility and choices to change. So this is the core concept. We experience life through internal communication and external communication. Internal communication, external communication is the simplest form which I have converted for you from the NLP language, that is internal representation and external representation. I have tried not to use the typical NLP language. I have just made it simple so that we can connect and understand. So, what we do? We are right now experiencing the world or environment around